I think Vern is going to run out of energy here. He covers the inside again. It's going to be right together for second place. But Mitch Evans in the Jaguar has driven a superb race. And Mitch Evans wins.
Roland giving him big snap as he...
Yeah.
The final qualifying.
Right, let's see.
The 5th round of the championship. All 5 lights are on. Here's the Porsche. Fenestraz has done the fastest middle sector of anyone. Here comes the Frenchman through the final corner. Fenestraz. Rosenquist on pole, Bird alongside him, all 5 lights are on, and we go green in Rome, and it's a lot of wheel spin for Rosenquist. Bird fancies a look up the inside on the run down to turn 1, and it's a good start from Lotterer, nosing to the inside line. Mitch Evans looks to the outside and might get caught out. Everybody else in a traffic jam around the Colombo hairpin, but it's Rosenquist who leads. No big position changes apart from Oliver Turvey. Oh, and into the back, Alex Lynn crashes again into the back of Jean-Eric Verne, so hopefully Verne hasn't picked up any damage. There's bodywork flying. I wonder if that is Verne.
And again here.
And look at that, Mortara going up the inside of 2 cars. That's a bold one, but a lot of carbon crunching on that opening lap. Rosenquist holds the lead.
I don't know if Verne has got damage. I just saw him go through the shot, and I do not know if it has. It's going to be on the right rear. But Lynn hit him very hard, and the front wing is gone from Lynn's DS Virgin car, which will create all kinds of problems. They'll probably have to come in to fix that. I'm just trying to see pit. They've just passed pit entry, so whether he's pulled in the pits or not, I do not know. As he dropped down the hill to turn 5, this is one of the overtaking opportunities on the lap.
And Felix Rosenquist already covering the inside line from Sam Bird. These guys are going to go to the halfway point of the race, either 16 laps or 17 laps, and then make a pit stop and change into their second cars. But here comes Rosenquist leading for Mahindra. Bird nosing around, just showing himself behind Rosenquist. And look at this jump now. All the cars taking off as they crest the hill. Wow!
Unfortunately for the drivers, great for us, they take off again just in the braking zone. It makes it very difficult to stop without locking up.
That is a bit of damage on the front of Alex Lynn's car. Is whether it affects him that he needs to pit, or whether the FIA deem that it is dangerous. Now, where they started, these drivers, isn't the timing line, so we're still on the first lap, and I'll let you know where the actual finish line is as they come down towards the hairpin again at the end of the Christopher Columbus Road, and look how close they get. What a fantastic camera angle as they zoom down into turn 1.
Overtaking a move on the camera, one of the Venturis.
Eduardo Mortara going past Alex Lynn. There's a lunge from Da Costa as well, trying to get past Maro Engel. No, sorry, apologies. It was Engel going past Lynn, and Mortara losing out, so Engel up into 11th position. Jean-Eric Verne in all of that lost a place, in fact, and is down to 9th. Oliver Turvey, the big winner, up from 7th to 5th.
And look at Sam Bird already hounding Felix Rosenquist.
Alex Lynn has been shown the black flag with an orange disc, which means you have to come into the pits and repair your damage. It's not safe to stay out there.
But this lap is possibly long enough that he can do that, and if there's a safety car, he might get back in.
And into the pits comes Alex Lynn.
Into the pits, yep. It's a long old pit lane, though.
Turvey, he is closing in a lot. This is Sam Bird coming through the chicane. Oh, he's understeering there. Oh, little brush.
Looks like he's looking up at the sky going, I'm close.
Here's Bird now. Leaps over into his second car.
Oh, Alex Lynn again. Nice, he's stopped. Yeah, he hasn't hit anything. He's looking for a safe spot. Is that turn 10?
Speaking to Rosenquist, I think it was in Mexico, he said, Sam Bird is the guy, you don't want him in your mirrors, because you know he will do a late Sam Bird overtake.
He has that ability to judge, he's able to go right to the limit and modulate the brake pedal, almost impossibly late.
Oh!
Crikey, yeah, nearly the commentator's curse there. But anyway, someone's
Rosenquist is slowing from the race lead! The left rear is bent! The Swede shakes his head because he's out of the Rome Prix. So that means Bird is away in first place. Sam Bird leading, who is going to launch himself up into second place in the championship, up into championship contention as he takes victory in the first Rome Prix. The cheers all around, but look at the party there.
Yes, boys. Yes, boys. Well done. Yes, boys. Come on! Well done, Sam. Excellent. Excellent work. Well done, pal.
Sam, it's Jack here in the commentary box. What a drive. That was That was not an easy one in the end.
No, Jack, no, it wasn't easy, but congratulations to everybody at DS Virgin Racing. I mean, to get another win, to get the first win in Rome, this was always going to be a historic race. I think I've done pretty well with both New York and Rome so far.
That's Mike Lugg, the senior race engineer, and Sam Bird's race engineer. That's the man you hear talking to Sam on the radio. He's still the only man to have won an E-Prix in every season of Formula E. Victories in London in season 1, in Buenos Aires in season 2, New York in season 3, to name but a few. And Bird now launches himself, hiding.
So.
Tommy, hörst du nicht?
Ja.
Jetzt mal da.
Was ist denn?
Bring mal an mein Weg.
Okay. Hab ich. So. Ja.
All 5 lights are on, and we go green in Berlin. It's a decent start. Rosenquist is right back now with his teammate Heidfeld. This could be a deciding race in the season. Crucially, all 5 lights are on, and we go